Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. I have officially hit 100K on Instagram. Yes, I was working on that, not necessarily working on hitting 100K, but the beginning of the year, I set a goal of maybe 60, possibly 70. You know, I kept it low so I could reach it, And then I just kind of noticed that my Instagram was starting to take, speed. I hit 60, then 65 came in a couple of days, then 70 came within 30 days, and then 80 came in the 30 days. So I was just like, if I really put a little bit more focus onto Instagram, I could really get it to 100K, which I really didn't see it before. So I decided to go ahead and start working on that, which meant other areas, YouTube, was gonna slack. So I'm definitely at a point now where I'm happy to see both my Instagram and also my YouTube channel both sitting at 100K. So thank you so very much. But I wanted to go ahead and just start doing a couple videos in real time. It does not mean that the previous recorded videos aren't gonna come out. I'm still gonna put them out. So I know it's gonna be a little weird, but just bear with me because again, I do have videos that I've already recorded that I'm just gonna post, so things may look out of place, but I wanted to go ahead and give you something in real time. So pretty much my Barstools have been delivered and I'm extremely happy about that. I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you guys, and then I'm gonna come right back here again to just give you a quick breakdown of everything. The bar stool that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys today is called Bailey. I really do love this bar stool a whole lot. If you look at the body and also the seat, it has a whelp finish, which really helps to close off where the fabrics combine at the seams. You don't really see it. The wood is a smoke finish. It does come in a different option. I'll leave the link down below. Also, what I want to share with you guys is the metal cap. I really love this because if someone is sitting down in the seat and they have shoes on or whatever, they do not ding up the wood on the chair, which again, I absolutely love. I even love the legs. I love how the front goes straight and the back has a really nice curvature to it. Again, this is from Bernhardt. I will be leaving it linked down below if you guys are interested. And if you're not interested in this finish, make sure you check out to see what options they have available to you.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go.
Guys, I absolutely love my bar stools. The cleaning lady came and Kevin came by and he's like, girl, these are heavy. They're super heavy, really great quality. The company is Bernhardt. I'll leave a link in the description box. So if you haven't figured it out just yet, my process of getting furniture isn't to do one room. I know it may not make any sense. So my process has always been to get the big things out the way, which meant like the dining table, the bar stools, the bed, the sofa, the sectional, those things, get those things out the way. And then I can focus on the decorative things, which those things are happening. So it just seems like the house is coming together a lot faster when I do it that way. Because if I had sat there and just did my bedroom we would still be in my bedroom. You know, if I just did the loft, we would still be in the loft. So doing it that way just made things a lot easier, because you really don't notice how the small things will eventually add up. I feel like to spend that much in one space, for me, just at the time, just wasn't gonna be good. It ain't good now either, but we ain't gonna talk about that. But anyway, I felt like it was easier to be like, okay, let me do the sectional and put this much. Let me do the sofa and do this much. Let me do the bar stool and do this much. And then I was able to spend that money and then, you know, do that. But anyway, moving right along, the bar stools are from Bernhardt. Absolutely love them. It is not a performance fabric. The Barstools was never an issue of getting dirty for me. Like, they get dirty, but the upholstery on there is really, really amazing. I don't know how the color's coming on camera. It's actually like a brown heather gray color. Unfortunately, the colors don't come in a color. It comes coated. And part of the reason why the colors come coated is oftentimes I ask about the dye lot. And what that means is, when that particular fabric is in production, is it going through the one reel? Is it going through like the one weave of fabric? Because what they normally do is, you know, fabrics are like 10 yards, 20 yards, and then they start a new one, you know, 10 yards, 20 yards, 30 yards, and they start a new one. So unfortunately, there's not a name. So I can't give you a name because, you know, it comes just color coded. But anywho, love the bar stools, love everything. So for right now though, my kitchen, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm probably not gonna do anything until next year. I feel like last year and this year, like, I've worked so much that I'm exhausted. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like, I'm really, really exhausted, and I would just like to have a week of where I do absolutely zero. And I'm not saying like a day off. Like, I want my day to run where I'm like, okay, I do this and I do this, but I feel like I've just been like going, and I would like to be on pause just for a little bit. So I'm not gonna just, you know, whatever. During that time, the content upload is probably going to be more like sit down, and I'm gonna be discussing to you guys about like storage and like, you know, new builds and things like that, you know, things that I've experienced and things that may help you out and stuff is what I'm going to be doing, just because like I'm not gonna say like I'm over it, but I'm kind of over it. I'm just tired. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's been a lot. And if I say that it hasn't been, or if I made it look easy by any means, it hasn't been. It's been a lot just overall. So I'm going to slow it down. Okay. But that's pretty much it. I'm really, really happy. Like I said, my sofa's gonna be gone. They're coming to get my sofa at the end of the month. And then my coffee table will be here. That's the last piece of furniture that I purchased that I'm like, I'm not gonna buy anything else. And so the coffee table is gonna be here. And what I'm gonna be doing is like focusing on the boys' rooms, trying to get that painted and everything like that. I already painted, but I'm not happy with the color. My oldest son's room, it look more pink than it does brown. So I'm gonna paint that again. I think that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go because I have to clean up. I had some work done here yesterday. You guys will see it. I'm just gonna go ahead and record another video so I could have something like back to back for this week for you guys. But I want to say thank you so very much just for being patient overall. Again, this isn't easy. It's a lot, and I'm not gonna lie. When I hit 100K on Instagram, I went through another motion of like feeling like, oh my god, like another, you know, moment, like shared by myself or whatever. So I kind of sat down for about 2 days. So even though I'm moving, I'm definitely accomplishing a whole lot. I feel like I'm making up for like the last 6 years of me not and when I say not working, I was working, but like not, you know, really working. And so like I'm trying to make up for it. And like this last 2 years, I think I've been working as if it's been 5 years, if that makes any sense. But anyway, thank you so much. Like, I really appreciate the support. I appreciate the feedback. I appreciate you guys sending me the prayers via Instagram. I appreciate a lot. You guys, some of you guys anyway, are just like super amazing. And I'm just like, man, y'all don't understand. Y'all be coming in the clutch a lot of the times when I be feeling kind of down or sad or something like that, and you guys be kind of coming through, whatever. So just want to say thank you. I appreciate it. But that is it for today. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. You know I'm good for crying, and I did not cry this time. I did not cry. Yeah, I didn't cry. Normally I be crying, but I didn't cry this time. I did not cry. I pushed through. I could feel it was coming though, but I did.